Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer WhatsApp messages into the new phone. So for this you don't need any Google Drive, any backed up files. All we need to do is to have your two phones, you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and you will be fine. So how you're going to do it? Watch this video till the end. So to start the video you need to go to your WhatsApp, which is connected on the old phone, then tap on the three dots here. Go to the settings. In the settings menu, scroll a bit where you will find chats. You need to tap on it, and then scroll a bit where you will find transfer chats. You need to tap on that and then tap on start. So while it continues like that, you need on the new phone, all you need to do is to open WhatsApp. If you don't have it, download it first, then tap on agree and continue. Now enter the same phone number which is connected here. So I will enter the phone number and then show you the next step. So guys, once you enter the phone number, then tap on next. So it will ask you, is this the correct number? And you need to tap on yes. And now all you need to do is to verify your phone number. So they will send a code to the SIM that you're using. And as you can see, I received a message and now it is verified. Now they say enter the PIN you created when you set up two-step verification. So guys, once I enter the PIN, it say it is verified, and I will tap on continue. Allow WhatsApp to access your contact. You need to allow certain information. Once you allow all the permission that the application is asking, now they say transfer chat history from old phone. You need to tap on continue. Transfer or Wi-Fi, you need to tap on continue, allow. And now that is the scan QR code with old phone. So I'm waiting for here. As you can see, it is preparing 10%. It will take a bit of time. When it is done, I will scan this code from this phone and all the chat history will then be transferred. So I will wait for it and then I will show you the next step. It is now 100% okay. Now I need to scan the QR code. So I will take this phone and scan this code which is shown on the new phone. And they say stay on this screen. All you need to do is to tap on accept when you receive this invitation to connect. So once you tap on accept, so guys, now as you can see, the messages are transferring and I'm receiving. You can see the transferring here and the receiving on the other side. So guys, this is all it takes. You need to wait for it to become 100%, and this is all it needs to take to transfer your messages, your chats from the old phone to the new phone on your WhatsApp application. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. We need your support. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.